Hi guys, I'm Jake. Today we will heading to Kuala Lumpur to attend JBL new product launching event. So now let's go. Okay, now we have arrived at Supermansion UAJ and now let us see what is next year JBL will launch a lot of new product, and now we will end for this vlog about JBL car audio new product launching. So in future we will doing some sound testing about new product, and remember to subscribe and like our video. Thank you and bye bye.